Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure WordPress SEO with Yoast for US sites step by step clearly. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New. In the search bar, type Yoast SEO. Locate the Yoast SEO plugin by Team Yoast. Click the Install Now button next to the plugin. Once installed, click the Activate button. Next, find SEO in the left sidebar after activation. Click on General. In the General settings, you will see a configuration wizard. Click on the configuration wizard to start. Follow the prompts to set up your site's SEO preferences. Select your site type, choose the option that best matches your business. Fill in the details about your organization or website. Indicate whether your site represents a person or an organization. Set up your social profiles if applicable. Next, configure the visibility settings for search engines. Decide if search engines should see your website. Set your preferences for posts and pages visibility. Once you've made selections, click Next. The wizard will then ask about your multiple authors. Specify if you have multiple authors contributing to your site. This helps with SEO optimizations for author archives. Continue through the configuration wizard until it's complete. To further optimize your site, explore the search appearance settings. Adjust the settings for your content types like posts and pages. Determine how search engines display your titles and meta descriptions. Utilize the Social tab to configure how your site appears on social media. Link your social media accounts for enhanced visibility. In the Tools section, utilize the built-in SEO analysis tool. This feature provides recommendations for improving your content. To optimize individual posts or pages, open a post or page editor. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.